discuss imperfection in solids, means defects in solid crystals. You know, irregular arrangement of constituent particles in any crystal is called the defect in crystal. I mean, this defect is considered for our studies in two types. I mean, point defect and line defect. Means two type of defects are usually studied: point defect and line defect. So these point defects are further divided for convenience of our studies in three parts: defects in stoichiometric crystal, defects in non-stoichiometric crystals, and impurity defects. So children, today I will discuss the point defect A part, which includes Schottky defect and Frankel defect. It is okay. But one more interesting discussion I do want to share among you children. Nowadays in modern age there is a fashion to use decorative gems like emerald, sapphire, blue sapphire, and ruby, etc. So you know, gems are the crystals of Al2O3, means aluminum oxide. These are the crystals of aluminum oxide, so called corundum. And if there is the defect, means suppose there is the missing of few of the cations of aluminum bearing 3 positive charge, in place of these aluminum 3 positive charge, cation of iron 3 positive charge is present, then that Al2O3 crystal will be considered to be the blue sapphire. It is okay. And in the presence of chromite ion, Cr3 plus ion is present there in Al2O3 crystal as an impurity, then that particular crystal will be considered to be ruby, you know, माणिक, पन्ना, नीलम, ये सब gems हैं, ये क्या हैं? These are basically developed due to the defects or impurities of the crystals. So children, now I have to discuss the defects in stoichiometric crystals, especially Schottky and Frankel. Very first we are going to discuss the Schottky defect. Schottky defect. This defect was observed first time by the German scientist Schottky, and this defect is named after that particular scientist. So this defect is also called vacancy defect. And what happens? There are a few points, one by one you should have to go through. When there is the missing of equal number of cations and anions, when there is the missing of equal number of cations and anions, then such type of defects will be observed. Let you all see this diagram here. Suppose cation, anion, 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 cation, means there is a symmetrical arrangement is there between cation and anion. If you see the second one arrangement, cation, anion is missing, but this space is still vacant. This is called hole. This is vacancy. Cation, then anion. Anion is not present. Instead, the space is already as a whole existing there. Cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion, cation, anion. Then again cation is missing. Means equal number of cation and anion. One anion and one cation is missing. Maybe the number 2 or 2, 100 or 100, 1000 or 1000. It is okay. Means when there is the missing of equal number of cation and anion take place in any crystal, ionic crystal, then what type of defect is considered? This defect is considered to be Schottky defect. Correct? Second point, density of the crystal in Schottky defect decreases. Why decreases? Already you know the formula, density is equals to mass upon volume. Since due to the missing of cations and anions, the mass of the crystal will be reduced. Ultimately the density will also be reduced. Now the third point, crystal remains electrically neutral. What happens? Because there is the equal number of cations and anions are missing, then crystal remains electrically neutral. Crystal remains electrically neutral. And now, since there is increasing hole, and these holes can carry the free electrons, so electrical conductivity increases. Means after Schottky defect, ionic crystal increases its electrical conductivity and decreases its density, and crystal remains electrically neutral. So the last point you have to see here, dielectric constant of the crystal remains same, and these crystals, in these crystals usually the size of cation and anion remains equal. Means defects are seen in the crystals having high coordination number and almost same size cations and anions. So this Schottky defect was observed first time by the German scientist in 1930 named Schottky. So this defect was named after his name, Schottky defect. What happens when in any ionic crystal there is missing of equal number of cation and anion take place, then this is called Schottky defect. Density of the crystal during Schottky defect decreases, electrical conductivity increases, and crystal remains electrically neutral, and dielectric constant of the crystal remains same, there is no change. And such type of defect occurs in the crystals having high coordination number and almost same size cations and anions. It is okay? I think this much is known to you. Rest I mean Frankel defect and line defects I will discuss tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.